Alright, I got my nephew out here. Wave to the crowd. I don't know where my son jet off to. But what I done, you know, last time I started it up without the fuel pump, I had a starter fluid thing I was using. But now I have ran the fuel lines to a fuel pump that I took a pump out of a Chevy Silverado and adapted to my Astro van sending unit. So I have ran that, and of course I got the board for some protection because the sparks coming off that exhaust. I don't want nothing at night. But as you seen before, I'm gonna let my nephew hold this while I start it up. You know, get that in the picture, you know what I'm saying? Me too, get me to it. Alright.
Alright.
Get my wires right. Fuel, what you come, and start. Alright, I'm cutting fuel on. Fuel is running. Start. I think that's a successful test. We ain't doing no more. That's all you get. Yes, sir.